Welcome everybody, it's Carole in my art room tonight with my cake spinner. My paints are mixed up. I'm going to do a bloom again because I just love them so much. This is a 8x8 canvas, I think. Yes, it's 8x8. All right, so I've got some interesting colors that I've kind of made up. So I have a deep turquoise, and I got more air bubbles, and I've added, what did I add to that? I added some light blue, some of this Basics light blue, just to lighten it a bit. Then I have some ultramarine blue. I'm just tapping the bubbles, which seems a bit thick. And I added some plum to this, some Deco Art plum, kind of a purpley blue now. I didn't add a lot, but this is the plum. I'm going to use the plum also. And I have some Liquitex gold. And to the gold, I added some Deco Art pearl, metallic, white pearl. Just to lighten it a bit. They're both metallics. Debating if I should put this on top. Yeah, this can be on top. Let's see what I got here. Just add a tinge of water to this, and I think we're good to go. There, you can see all my colors here. And I'm going to use a Paynes Grey Cell Activator and white Cell Activator together. I saw Karen do this, use the Paynes Grey, and it looks pretty awesome. So I thought I would give it a try also. Okay. Pillow paint. Let's do this. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start with the turquoise. Oh, I wish I hadn't had to stir this, but I'll use my heat gun and I'll get some of the bubbles out. Don't get too close with that. Okay, so now I'll do, should I do the blue on top? Decisions. I'll try the plum under here. Okay, now some gold and pearl white. Give it a little torch. Now the ultramarine blue with the plum in it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put the black cell activator down first. Well, so actually it's Paynes Grey. Oops. And now some white. Oops, it's a lot. And I'm gonna use my new tool tonight. I just hope it works. I have it's like a mini hair dryer, but it's you put a brush on the end of it. And it has a cool setting. So we'll see how this goes. Whoa. Holy mother of whatever. Holy moly. Oh, I really went crazy there, didn't I, on that side? Wow. And I'll let that settle into the middle. Whoa. So I got a little, I guess that's the cell activator there. I wonder if I can blow this one. Excuse my head for a minute. I can use my straw. No, I'm gonna leave it. I'll let it come back to the middle. The cells have like 3 colors in there: turquoise, gold, and purple. And there's black around it, not white. So cool. Very cool. Oh. Thanks for the tip, Karen, about the Paynes Grey. I love it. I'm gonna give it a spin. I don't want this, too much of this to come off, but well, maybe a little more. Still see a little concave in there. Oh, so beautiful. Looks like jewels. I'm gobsmacked. This is pretty. It's like blended. There's no cells there, but it's just really pretty how it's blended. There's some cells here. Well, I'm almost to the end, so whoa. Oh, I'm getting paint everywhere now. Okay, I think that's enough. Whoa, whoa. I have to take a picture of this, even just the way it is coming off the sides. Look at that. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness, I didn't even have you in there. I get so carried away looking at this, I forget what the camera's doing. Sorry, I moved it. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'll zoom you in. Isn't that awesome? Whoa. It's a lot of turquoise. Beautiful. I'm gonna do one on a round. Just love these colors. Okay, I'm not gonna spin this anymore. I'm just gonna say that's it. I hope everybody loves it to watch it. At that little mini hairdryer, wow. Hair blower, brush, it's got brush attachments. It's made by Revlon. I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna try and keep it clean. I put some cellophane around it just to, so I wouldn't get it all yucky. I'm gonna keep it nice. Maybe I'll do my hair with it one day. Lord knows my hair needs it. COVID hair. I haven't had a haircut in a long time. I'm due. I'll go. Kind of getting used to it now. All right. So come to my art room. Come back again. See some more great ones. Oh, I think they're great. I love them. I hope you guys do. Sometimes you just love some more than others. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment below. Let me know what you think. And have a great day. And the dried results will be at the end. Here we go. Here's the dried results. Look how awesome that is. It's so smooth. It's uncanny. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness, I just love this one. Love it, love it, love it. Close up. Gold, blues, whites, purple. Ooh. Black and white cell activator, I think this one was. All right. Thanks for coming by and watching and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, please do. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.